YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Smizze Deluxe Monocular Telescope. It's a 12 by 50 monocular telescope. I wanted something for when I am camping or outdoors per se, or just in the yard looking at things. And I found this excellent monocular by Smizze. It does a great job, 12 by 50. It has a nice lens on it right there. And it has a focus wheel here. This actually comes out, so if you wear glasses like I do, it'll protect the lens for when you put your glasses against it. But you don't need to wear glasses because with the focus, it will focus according to your eyesight. It also has a quarter inch tripod adapter to it, and it comes with some accessories: a microfiber cleaning cloth for the lenses, and this contraption, which is used to mount your phone so that you can take pictures through the monocular, which is a great thing to see. The monocular itself is built really well. I actually dropped it once and I'm surprised I did not break any of the lenses. So it is built with durability in mind. It also comes with this nice lanyard right here. And what makes it great too is that it comes with a belt holster, which I showed in a previous review with this tactical belt that I use with my camping pants. If you want to see that review, please look for a link in the description below. But it goes well with this and it fits perfectly on my tactical belt. So we're going to use the UB size selfie tripod right here, and I did a review of this tripod earlier. If you'd like to see that review, please look for a link in the description below. But we're going to use the adapters they gave us right here to hook up my cell phone to the top of this so that we can use the binocular and take some video while using it. Alright, so we're on my side deck here, and as you see, this Smizze monocular is in its holster right there with my cell phone in the back here. And this is the view so far. So I'm going to leave that right there. Again, the shakiness is due to the tripod because this is a quick and easy setup tripod, but we're looking at the tent. That looks good. I'm going to rotate around to the woods, and if I want to focus, I'm going to use the focus on the monocular itself just by twisting. It comes in nice, clean, and clear. Oop. Sorry about that shift there. You can look up the tree. So the monocular is doing pretty good, and that's what you would see. Up there's a birdhouse right there. But this is what you would see if you were looking through it with your eyes, so I thought this would be a better demonstration rather than trying to get my whole thing there. Here's the tree that is close to the tent, and you can see all the details that I could see on that. There's the base of it, and then we have the fire pit right next door. Again, you can kind of see how far that is from the actual video I'm taking outside of it right here versus what it looks like through the camera. So overall, the monocular is pretty sharp here. I really like it. I think it's an awesome monocular. I think it's good for when you're hiking or outdoors because it's actually going to weigh a little bit less than binoculars. It works just as good, if not better. And again, you can adjust it to whatever you want to with the focus on top. Did I also mention that this is waterproof? So if it gets wet, there isn't going to be a problem. And like I said, I've dropped it about twice already and it hasn't done anything, so it is highly durable. That's what the setup looks like. It's nice that they included this whole cell phone adapter. You might have to go on one side or another according to your camera, but it all works great. They have nice lens covers right here. The lanyard's nice to see, and again, the belt holster is really nice to see as well. Do I feel that this is a good product to buy? I do. Pros about it: has a nice rubberized feel. Like I said, I've dropped it twice. It's very durable for what it is. 12 by 50, it's not the best magnification, but it does a very nice job on the details you need. They include the cell phone adapter here, along with the adapter to hold up the monocular. It's very secure in there. It's locked right in. Cons about the Smizze monocular: the only thing I would say is that it's a monocular, it's not a binocular. So sometimes when you're looking through it with one eye and you're closing the other eye, it comes in a little blurry, but that's not due to the actual monocular. That's due to your vision, and then it clears up over time. You have to get used to seeing it. It's not like a binocular where both sides of the binocular add up to your vision and you see straight on. But again, you're going to be losing a lot more weight with this if you're carrying it all around while camping, in hiking or backpacking. So it is a very nice thing to have. If you'd like to purchase your Smizze Monocular Deluxe, please look in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate that. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.